A New Zealand student visa application letter is one of the most important documents in your student visa process because it allows you to formally explain your study plans to Immigration New Zealand. This letter helps the visa officer understand who you are, what course you will study, why you chose New Zealand, how your studies will be funded, where you will stay, and your plans after completing your education. In this video, we will learn how to write it properly. Check this out. Sender's information. The first part of the letter is your personal information. For example, Emma Richardson, 45 Maple Street, Central District, London SW1A2AA. United Kingdom, phone +4 477 001 23456. Email emma.richardson@email.com. This section identifies who is submitting the visa application. Immigration New Zealand uses these details to match your letter with your visa file and contact you if further clarification is needed. Your address should be complete and accurate because it confirms your current country of residence. Date. After your personal information, write the date. Example, May 15, 2026. The date should reflect when the application letter is prepared. This ensures your document is current and aligned with your visa application timeline. Recipient details. Next, write the recipient information. Example, Immigration New Zealand. Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment. New Zealand. This identifies the correct immigration authority responsible for processing your student visa. Using the proper recipient details ensures your application is formally addressed. Subject line. Now write the subject line. Example, subject. Application for New Zealand student visa. The subject line immediately tells the visa officer what the letter is about. It creates clarity and keeps the application professional. Salutation. Next comes the salutation. Write, Dear Visa Officer, this is the standard formal greeting for immigration correspondence. It keeps the letter respectful and professional. Opening paragraph. The opening paragraph clearly states the purpose of your letter. Example, I am writing to respectfully apply for a New Zealand student visa to undertake my studies at the University of Auckland in Auckland, New Zealand. This immediately informs the immigration officer why you are writing. It establishes the main purpose of your application from the very beginning. Personal identification. Next, introduce yourself. Example, my name is Emma Richardson, born on September 14, 2003, and I am a citizen of the United Kingdom, holding passport number UK 7854231. This section confirms your identity. It provides key personal details that must match your passport and visa application documents. Accuracy here is essential. Study program details. Now explain the course you will study. Example, I have been accepted into the Bachelor of Information Technology at the University of Auckland, with the program scheduled to commence on July 20, 2026, and conclude on June 30, 2029. The duration of my course is 3 years. This section is very important because it provides evidence of genuine study intentions. It confirms the institution, the course name, start and end dates, duration of study. These details help Immigration New Zealand verify your academic plans. Why you chose New Zealand. Next, explain why you selected New Zealand as your study destination. Example, I have chosen New Zealand as my study destination because of its internationally recognized education system, excellent academic standards, and supportive learning environment. I believe that studying at the University of Auckland will provide me with the knowledge, practical skills, and qualifications necessary to achieve my long-term academic and professional goals in software development. This section helps establish your genuine academic motivation. The visa officer wants to understand that your purpose is education, not immigration for unrelated reasons. Connect your chosen program with your future career plans. Financial support. This is one of the most important parts of the application. Choose one option depending on how your studies will be funded. If self-funded student, write, I will personally finance my studies and living expenses in New Zealand. I have sufficient funds to cover tuition fees, accommodation, living costs, health insurance, and other related expenses. Evidence of my financial capacity, including bank statements and financial documents, is attached. This option shows that you have enough personal financial resources. Supporting evidence is essential. If sponsored by parents or family, write, "My studies and living expenses will be fully funded by David Richardson, who is my father." Attached are his financial documents, bank statements, proof of income, and sponsorship declaration. This option is used when a family member is sponsoring your education. The relationship and financial proof must be clearly shown. If sponsored by organization or scholarship provider, write, "My education in New Zealand is being funded by the Commonwealth Scholarship Commission under the International Academic Excellence Scholarship Program." Supporting sponsorship documentation is enclosed with this application. This option applies if your education is funded by an official organization. You must include formal sponsorship documentation. Accommodation details. Next, explain where you will live. Example, during my studies, I intend to reside at Waiparuru Hall Student Residence, 55 Simons Street, Auckland. This section confirms your accommodation arrangements. It shows the visa officer that your living arrangements have been planned. Visa compliance and return intentions. Now confirm that you understand visa conditions and your plans after graduation. Example, I fully understand the conditions of a New Zealand student visa and confirm that I will comply with all immigration requirements throughout my stay. Upon completion of my studies, I intend to return to the United Kingdom to apply my qualifications and pursue my professional career in software engineering. Immigration New Zealand must be satisfied that you understand visa rules and intend to comply with them. Stating your intention to return to your home country strengthens your application. Supporting documents. Next, list your supporting documents. Example, please find attached all required supporting documents, including passport copy, offer of place from the University of Auckland, tuition fee payment receipt, financial evidence, academic records and certificates, English language proficiency results, medical and character documents. It helps the visa officer quickly identify the documents included. Formal request. Now make your request. Example, I kindly request that my application for a New Zealand student visa be considered favorably. This is your official request for visa approval. Contact availability. Next, write, should further information be required, please do not hesitate to contact me. This shows your willingness to provide additional clarification if needed. Closing. Now finish professionally. Example, yours faithfully, Emma Richardson. This is the proper formal closing for this type of immigration letter. If submitting a printed letter, sign above your typed name. Before submitting your application letter, carefully review all information. Make sure your personal details, course information, dates, and financial information match all supporting documents exactly. Even small inconsistencies can create delays in visa processing. That's how to write a New Zealand student visa application letter step by step. I hope this tutorial helps you prepare a professional and effective student visa application. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more professional writing guides and document templates. And remember, good writing creates strong applications. See you in the next video.